So, yo YouTube, welcome back to another video. I'm Sarthak and you're watching Fluxpact. So, this is day 4 of becoming a front end developer. Alright, chat. I did not uploaded videos for approximately like 4 or 5 days because I got the braces recently, right? And that is very painful. So, even going to tuitions and doing other work is also like very painful. So, coding is and giving the time to coding is especially a little difficult, but we are back. This is a discipline journey also too. So we are not gonna break our discipline, right? I'm not gonna quit. There is no reason to quit. The videos might get delayed by some days, like 2-3 days or maximum 4-5 days, but for now they will come. All right, chat. So leave that motivation aside and let's see what we have done in some days. And I will frankly admit that we did not do that much progress as we should do, but I'm taking the guarantee that in I think 2-3 journey video we are gonna complete CSS, and after that on another video we are gonna make clone of Netflix and Amazon and Spotify. That's all. We complete our CSS, then we can go to JavaScript, right? So we have to grind now. I'm back. I'm all right. So let's open our VS Code. Let's see. Not VS, so sorry. I did not do I did not make many projects, which should I have been, because I learned very interesting properties, and I don't know why I'm getting stuttered, because it is new for me to like talk in braces, chat. I can't talk properly, but leave that thing. We will get the habit of talking in that way. I don't know why I'm stuttering too much. Let's open my CSS material. So last time what we have learned is display property, right? And after display property we are gonna start from here. So we have learned many things, but unfortunately I didn't have the time to make the projects, which I should have do, because we have learned very interesting properties. So let's see what we have learned. First we learn like visibility property, which is very minor and it doesn't matter that much, so we can just leave it. It doesn't matter. Yeah, so it is like a one more additional property to the display property, so it won't be like showing case. And this is RGBA property, which gives a lighter version of that. And this is also useless property in my opinion, because in VS Code we have the color grading option, so we can just select the light red. That's all. So we have automatically all things in Emmet, so we can do that. But the people who are doing in that notepad, especially school going people in India, they will teach in notepad mostly, not in VS Code. So this is a good property for them. For us, we are pros, gang. We are the sigmas. We don't use this property, right? We just use VS Code color grading. This is the unit in CSS. This is the very common basic things. Mostly we will use percentage. I did not understand what is M, what is rem. I don't know. Really, I don't know. So leave that aside. Just use percentage of a pixel. That's all. We don't need anything else, right? And what else we have is percentage. Yeah, this telling about percentage. We know what is percentage. This is better than the pixel. So in pixel we have to do much things to find out how much pixel we require, but we can do just percentage. It's a good property, right? Yeah, this is a M, doesn't matter. Don't read it. It's better. It's getting it will confuse you, so don't read it. It's like waste property. And now we have some other properties like VH, VW. I don't know. Frankly, I did not understand. I skipped this part and I frankly don't know what is that. I just know percentage. I just know pixel. That's all. That's enough. That's enough. More than enough. Even pixel is enough, but percentage is more good in like making the circles, but this is enough, right? VH, VW, M, RAM, that is all waste. I don't know why to make that many properties. Okay, now we have position. Position is a very good property, right, chat? it's like a very important property in CSS, but in this all, technically we use only one property, which is fixed property, which is mostly used in footers and headers. In headers we will use this property to make the nav bars, and footers we just use like to like fix it, right? So this is a good property we can use in ads, I think so. So others are not that important. Others, that's fixed is only important. So I will show you. I've just tried some things, right? Let me show you. I did not frankly make a project, but that is, I think, more than enough, because now directly we don't make small projects. Directly we're gonna make a Netflix clone, okay, chat, directly, and I'm gonna showcase that video. Directly we will make the Netflix clone. Bro, excuse me. Yeah, yeah. CSS level 3. This is Lauren. For just scroll bar we wrote that. Just leave this. This is some random shit. So this is an example of a fixed position, right? So see, this is some type of a image. I will tell you that later how we did the image thing. This is some type of position we fixed in here. So basically it won't like go if you scroll things. Suppose this is a paragraph, I am under highlighting it, and you will scroll down, it is going right, but this thing won't go. So this is a good thing to like make the nav bars, because we have to always search something. So this is a good property, and this is good in footers also. This is a good property. This is an important property. Okay, leave that aside. Let's see what we have learned next. Braces are giving me so much pain, frankly, bro. Yeah, so this is a position definition, basically. That is all for nerds, but we are not the nerds, we are Sigma gang. So who are the nerds? Who are the college nerds or school nerds? Sir will ask, oh beta, what is static property? Tell me. Sir don't need what is the work we are doing with static property. He just need the definition. That's all. That's how the Indian education system is about to be, honestly, because here people will see the definition. Here people will see the how much things we're getting in mind, but they won't see the practical use of that thing, right? So most of 99% of the things which we are learning from from first class to 12th class, it is all waste, to be honestly, in my view of opinion. We'll talk that in another video, but this is our journey video, so we should not talk that. So this is some nerdy definition, we don't require that, but for you guys I just took the screenshot. And by the way, this all screenshot is from Apna College. You can check that out. That's a very good channel for learning coding. I'm just sharing my journey, but I'm learning from Apna College. That is totally free of cost, so you can just check them out. So this is some properties, but the main one is only fixed property. We have to remember that. Sorry, my camera, let me check. It's working now. Yeah. Braces. Ooh, yeah. So let me zoom out. Yeah. Yeah. So basically that's what we're talking about. I think I finished. This is Z index for sticky sticky label. Some properties that we like, that is always, I don't know. I don't know, bro. I just skipped this part. I didn't like it, to be honestly. I didn't understand, but I didn't. Only fixed one is important as per my knowledge, and this is the most important property of CSS till now. Background image, because most of the things are done with background image. Nobody likes choose the color for their website. They will just use the background images. They will just get the background, like some good background things from libraries, and this will put that. So this is a very important property, to be honestly, background image. And I have just shown you one example right here. This is the image, right? This is so cool, chat, to be honestly. This is a cool background image, so this is a cool thing, very very cool. I will use this in many ways in future projects. So this is a cool property which we have learned. And what else? Yeah, and this is the one of the most important attribute of the background image property, right? So background size, we can just set the size, because technically if we download some image, it will be very big, the pixel will be very big. But this type of property, which is which is cover, it will fix into certain size which can be visible to all. I will just show you an example. That's a very important triple star important attribute of the property till now, in my honest opinion, right? Let me show you. Yeah, this is a box one. Position is fixed. Yeah, so this is a background image. We give the URL and this is cover, right? And if we just remove cover from the image and just will do auto, right? Auto, and see what will happen. The image won't be visible because the pixels are so big. This is a 1 pixel, so it is taking all the space, so the image won't be visible. But if we apply the cover attribute, it will resize and show us the image what we need it, because sometimes that my div is too small for the image is technically very big. But if we use the cover property, the image is adjusting in the my div, right? So this is a good property. And similarly, if we just copy this and just do in body, you can understand here, right? So image won't be visible, because the pixels are very big. Some weird thing where it is only visible, but sorry, but just a minute. Okay, see, I didn't refresh it, now it's showing us. See, the image is too big, but we can't see. If I just sorry for any misunderstanding, so this is a proper image size, so it is visible like that, right? This is a good property. I think some shit I cooked in the last, I couldn't explain you guys properly, so leave that shit aside. I'm really sorry for that. And I'm getting too much pain regarding my braces, so I can't talk even properly. But that's bro, I'm stuttering too much, so that's excuse, yeah. But we won't follow the excuses, we just have to go and crush through our goals. So let's end the today's video here. So thank you guys who have watched the video till here. I hope you're liking my journey video, and we're gonna continue it in future too. And you can follow me, you can follow my footsteps, and you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube if you want, if you like my content. So that's all for the today's video. I know I have taken a long break, so yeah, that's all for today's video. I know the video is a little shitty, but that's all. We'll do some interesting projects later on, then you can get a little enjoyable and it will be a little fun. So let's end today's video here. See you, sayonara, goodbye, Jai Hind.